How to customize the Start menu in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to rearrange it and make it work the way you want. First, click the Start button to open the Start menu. From there, to pin an app to the menu, right-click on it from the app list and select Pin to Start. After that, your pinned apps will show up in a grid at the top of the Start menu, and you can drag and drop any of them to rearrange the order. Following this, if you want to remove an app from that grid, right-click on it and select Unpin from Start. From here, to organize apps into folders, drag one pinned app on top of another, and a folder will be created automatically, holding both of them. At this point, if you want more control over the layout itself, click the Start button, open Settings, click Personalization, and then click Start. From there, you'll find a layout option, letting you choose between more pins, default, more recommendations, or pins only, depending on how much space you want dedicated to your apps versus recent files. Finally, scroll down on that same page to find a toggle for Show Recently Added Apps and Show Most Used Apps, so you can turn those sections on or off depending on your preference. That's how you customize the Start menu in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.